The Plan-On application is a modern web-based system capable of running on all major internet browsers. The home page consists of out-of-the-box interactive dashboards for users to view, select, and hone in on their data, as well as highly configurable self-service forms. These forms allow users to efficiently log their own calls via the web application or mobile app. For professional users, all functional components are accessed to the navigation panel. The navigation panel consists of task-specific interfaces, or TSIs, which compartmentalize specific functionality, allowing a user to perform a specific task. Every TSI adheres to a standardized structure: 3 blocks and a drill-down menu. The first, Select block, is where users select the data they wish to view. The View block is where the data gets displayed to the user, and the Act block is, you guessed it, where the users may act on their selected data. Once again, select, view, and act. The drill-down menu consists of multiple selection steps, each containing related data. With data selected, the drill-down menu can be used to filter information. Followed by the orders selection step. The result is that only orders belonging to the selected property are displayed. The drill-down filters from the highest-most selection step to the lowest selection step, and can be reset when the user returns to the highest-most selection step. In addition to filtering using selection steps, predefined filters within each selection step may be created or edited for common filtering requirements. To provide users with additional personalization, the navigation panel may be hidden, increasing the workable area. Plan-On's real estate management module allows users to efficiently manage their organization's real estate portfolio in an interactive and visual manner. Out-of-the-box interactive dashboards allow users to select the correct data in a simple manner. The real estate portfolio can be viewed at varying resolutions, from global to regional, and can be further specified by making use of predefined filters. By selecting the Portfolio tab and a property, Plan-On will display the income and expenditure, occupancy rates, and total ownership of the selected property. Similarly, by selecting the Space tab and a property, Plan-On will display space-related data pertaining to the selected building, such as space standards, space occupancy, tariffs, and space types. For each building, multiple contracts may be active. These can include service contracts and lease contracts. For real estate managers, all lease contracts can be managed using the Lease Contract TSI. Each property can have several different contracts linked to it, including a lease contract. The Filters selection step offers users standardized filtering criteria that updates as data is loaded onto the system. Leases are maintained in the contract selection step. Basic information required for the validity of a lease, such as property address, property name, contracting parties, escalations, start and end date to name a few, are standard. Hard copy documentation may also be uploaded and archived within Plan-On. Leasing amounts, project cost, and operational expenditure can all be linked to budgets. Budgets can be managed in the Budgets TSI and are classified by cost group and budget categories. Within each category, either an OPEX or CAPEX budget may be defined. For an overview of all active budgets, the Budget Monitor TSI offers a summary per cost group per building. The Project TSI provides users with the necessary tools to carry out project management activities across all 5 modules in a highly integrated manner. The Project TSI is where CAPEX and OPEX projects are maintained, with each project being assigned specific project items. Project items can be a project task or project milestone, with start date, end date, successor, or predecessor. The integrated nature of the Plan-On application allows for work orders to be linked to specific tasks, which can automate a portion of project management administration. The graphical viewer transforms the item list into an interactive Gantt chart, allowing users to, at a glance, assess the progress of a project. Planon's Space and Workplace Management module offers future-proof space management functionality that enables organizations to manage and adapt to their ever-changing space requirements. Within the Space and Workplace Management TSI, spaces are defined per floor for each registered property. Drilling down into the Spaces selection step, users may select a space and view either information pertaining to the selected space or the floor plan in which the space resides. Additional data can be overlaid on the floor plan by selecting the relevant data on the interactive CAD drawing. Flexible workspaces can be managed and reserved within the Flexible Workspaces TSI. Reservations of workspaces can either be made from within the Planon application or by the Planon self-service mobile app. These reservations, once logged, appear in the graphical planner, where relevant personnel can interact and manage reservations. Meeting room reservations can be managed in a similar fashion within the Meeting Room TSI. Meeting rooms can be located by viewing the floor plan, and a reservation may then be created. The graphical viewer allows all reservations to be displayed and managed in an interactive timeline. Personnel can be assigned to specific spaces within the Personnel TSI. Once linked, the person's space can be viewed on the floor plan. The Planon application can import and display both CAD drawings and BIM models, which not only provide users with an interactive visual of the floor plan, but improves the timeliness and quality of information exchange between the original design data and the Planon application. Planon's Asset and Maintenance Management module provides best practice work management and asset management functionality to ensure the successful operation of an organization's facilities. The Asset TSI serves as Planon's asset register. Within the asset selection step, data pertaining to an asset is displayed. Several different views are enabled for each asset, namely the Data View, CAD Integrator View, Graphical View, and BIM View. The CAD viewer displays the asset's location on an interactive floor plan. The graphical viewer displays dependent parent assets, related assets, and sub-assets for a particular asset. For example, a typical air conditioning unit might have a splitting system VAV parent asset, a related AHU extractor asset, and a supply duct as a child or a sub-asset. The BIM viewer allows the user to view an asset within the BIM model via the Planon application. QR codes can be generated from within Planon for each asset. These QR codes or tags can be attached to physical assets and scanned using the self-service app or the Planon Mobile Field Services app. Both applications are available on iOS and Android devices. Work orders can be created, acted on, and closed in the Orders TSI. Each order type has an out-of-the-box best practice workflow that routes the order to the correct personnel. These workflows are highly configurable and can be configured to cater for specific business requirements. To capture or update information on a work order, a user with an appropriate authorization will be able to interact with the field. More specifically, this includes the ability to select data from a source within Planon, such as spaces, or directly enter in a value, such as a comment, or adding a communication log. Planned Preventative Maintenance Orders, or PPMs, are another type of Planon order. These orders appear in the Orders TSI. However, the planning and scheduling of these orders occurs in the Maintenance Planner TSI. Within this TSI, users can create or upload several concurrent maintenance plans, service plans, maintenance activities, and estimated costs. Each maintenance activity is scheduled in the graphical viewer. Once scheduled, they appear as a single order within the Orders TSI. Multiple maintenance activities can be scheduled into a single order by clustering them according to predefined criteria, such as time window or supplier, to name a few. The Resource Planner TSI enables work orders to be assigned to personnel of specific trades in an active timeline. To assign work to a tradesman, simply select the work order and drop it within the row of the tradesperson. Then ensure that the work order falls within the appropriate time period.